Truckers United Television United. Today we're going to be going to my country home down the road, and I'm going to show you all my trucks and all my excellent motors that I have stored in my garage. I have so many trucks, and I have so many pigs and horses in my country farm roadhouse, and you will be very surprised and you will love it, because I know you are a red-blooded American like me. And listen to this truck. This truck is a very good truck. I'm gonna slow down a bit, and now I'm just gonna. Isn't that cool?
That's so cool, bro.
That's so cool. That's the coolest thing ever.
What kind of engine?
V9.
Dame un poco. Have my flexing set up. We have United Airlines right here. We have our beautiful modeled cabin. This is Flight Simulator X. Just came out, 2006. I'm literally filming. This is the, I just downloaded the game. It just came out 2 hours ago. Flight Simulator X, guys. So cool. Look, you can even there's everything here. You can take all the controls. It's so much realism. Look how real that looks, guys. Oh my gosh, I was just playing Atari 3 days ago and they came out with this. This is ridiculous.
How much did you pay, bro?
Stop recording.
Out of the fucking way.
Hello everybody, welcome to Flight Epic. This is my flight simulator right here. I paid over $3,000 for this view. And here we have my personal computer that I built myself. It has a RTX 4090, of course. And right here we have my setup, and you can see my Razer Huntsman X3 keyboard and my Avonix 3000 Epic Series honeycomb yoke, and the throttle that comes with it, of course, because you gotta buy them together. And this is how you accelerate the plane. You gotta push it forward to tell the plane to go forward. Also, you can make the plane go backwards too while you're flying. That one's a pretty cool trick. I learned that one from Han Solo, my third viewing of Star Wars: A New Hope. And here, this is how you activate the flaps. And the flaps is actually...
Alex! Why is there a $500 bill on my credit card?
Well, I needed to get this mod.
Hey
guys, Super Bowl 2006. We're here at Buffalo Wild Wings to watch the Super Bowl. It's the Patriots against the Patriots today.
I can't believe they got a clone of Tom Brady to play against Tom Brady. That's insane.
I mean,
how did they even do it? They must have watched the newest Star Wars.